Pro, noobs here. Still fighting out the hacking universe? What's the deal with the Kali?
Yes, Noob, Kali is like the ninja of hacking OS. Silent but deadly. Are you ready for hacking basics?
Absolutely, but why Kali? Can't I just use my regular setup?
Yeah, sure. But regular is like trying to fight crime with a rubber chicken.
Got it. Lead the way, Pro.
Hey Cyber Crew, Noobs in Pros Guiding and Kali is our hacking ninja. Today we are diving into the Kali Linux, the silent but deadly OS. Buckle up for a bit of cyber magic as we let the ninja's training begins. You can see that we are on our virtual machine. Let me click on the full screen mode. Yes, and I will give you a quick and detailed overview of our Kali Linux and see that we have our status bar, and from our upper left corner you can see an icon of our dragon. It's an official icon of our Kali Linux. It's like you have the icon of Windows on your taskbar. If you click on this icon, you can see that you have search bar here. You can search any application that you want to use, and if you click on the favorites, you can find here your favorite applications or tools. In recently used, you can find here your recently used applications, all applications, settings, unusual applications. If you click on the information gathering tool, you can see that our all information gathering tools are here. You can see DNS analysis, TS/IPS identification, live host identification, network and port scanners, OSINT analysis, root analysis, SMB analysis, SMTP analysis. So next one is vulnerability analysis. You can see fuzzing tools, VoIP tools, voice over internet protocol tools, web application analysis tools. These tools are used to penetrate websites, database assessment, SQLite, database browser, SQL map, password attacks, offline password attacks, online password attacks, passing the hash tools, password profiling and word lists. Giving you an overview, don't worry about that. We will go through with each and every single tools. Next is reverse engineering attacks. We have the four tools: exploitation tools, sniffing and spoofing tools, post exploitation tools, OS backdoors. These tools are used to create backdoors in any operating system, tunneling and exfiltration, web backdoors, forensics, reporting tools, social engineering tools, Kali and OffSec links, and this menu is complete here. And now you can see that this icon, if I click on this icon, it's minimize all the windows. Let me show you. If I open up my Firefox browser and click on there, it minimize all the tools and clear the desktop. If you click on that folder, you can see the file system of our Kali Linux, and here you can see your desktop, recent, trash, documents, music, pictures, videos, downloads, and file system. And here is our text editor that we can use for our text documents. This is our browser, Firefox, and this is our terminal. This is our CLI interface, command line interface. You can type the commands and complete your task. I'm just giving you the example to, if you want to access the root, you can type sudo su and type your password for the authentication, and he will give you the root access. I'm just giving you the example, nothing else, so don't worry about that. In the next part you can see the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. These are our workspaces. Basically Kali comes with the multiple workspaces. Let me show you. If I open the terminal here on the workspace 1 and click on to the number 2 workspace, here you can see the empty and clear desktop. And if I click back onto the number 1, you can find all your procedures or tasks here. On the right corner you can see that it shows up the CPU usage here, and if I click on it, it shows me the task manager and show me the all tasks that are running. After the CPU usage, you can see a Ethernet network connection icon here. If you click on it, it shows up the wired connection 1. As you know that we are in our virtual machine and our Wi-Fi adapter is connected with our Windows machine. So you can see here our Kali is connected by a wired connection. After that you can see a volume icon. You can manage your volume from here. You can see a bell icon. You can turn on your do not disturb mode and your time, date, and you can see a lock icon. If you want to lock the screen, just click on it and it locks my virtual machine here. Let me enter the password. Let me enter the password again. Upper corner you can see, if I click on this, you can see a menu. You can log out your virtual machine, restart your virtual machine, shut down, suspend, hibernate, hybrid sleep, and you can switch your users. And so this is the basic overview of our Kali Linux. Like my content, please subscribe, hit like, and press the bell icon for never miss an update. And at the end, happy secure world. Bye.